Okay, now finally we'll look at the QR code. So if I just open up here, you can see that every page has a QR code, just like every option and variant in e-commerce has a QR code too. So we get clients using QR codes for many different things, basic things like checking people in, but also QR codes can be used for things like event tickets. You can also you can validate that someone has paid, and when they check in, it's going to show that they've redeemed the ticket. So I'm going to be covering all this and more in the Watch and Learn episodes. We've even seen like hospitality, pop-up bars putting the QR codes of product pages onto their taps. So people come up, scan the QR code, it takes a payment, okay, and then they serve them the drinks. So many different use cases. I've seen people do it as treasure hunt around the city. So, you know, they scan a QR code, goes to a page, the question pops up, and then they get the answer, move on to the next one. So many different use cases, and that's why we put QR codes on every single page and even every single product and variant, as you've just learned.